In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm at Costco 2025 step by step. If you've been eyeing a big ticket item on Costco.com and want to spread out the cost, Affirm can be a straightforward way to finance your purchase online. Let's walk through exactly how it works, with clear tips so you feel confident at checkout. Start by building your cart on Costco.com with eligible items totaling at least $500 before tax. Not every product qualifies, so if the option doesn't appear later, double check that your items are eligible and that your order total meets the minimum. When your cart is ready, proceed to checkout as usual. In the payment section, select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be taken to a secure Affirm window to complete the financing portion. Here, you'll enter a few basic details so Affirm can provide a real-time decision. This quick check won't affect your credit, and you'll see the result right away. Make sure your information matches your billing details to avoid delays. If you're approved, you'll choose the payment plan that fits your budget. You'll typically see options for 3, 6, 12, 18, 24, and 36 months, each with its own annual percentage rate. Rates range from 10 to 36% APR. Take a moment to compare the monthly payment, total interest, and overall cost shown for each plan. Longer terms usually lower the monthly amount, but increase the total interest you'll pay. So pick the option that balances comfort and cost for you. Review the disclosure, confirm your agreement, and return to Costco to place the order. From there, you'll pay over time according to the schedule you selected. Your monthly payment will reflect your purchase amount plus applicable taxes and shipping exactly as displayed in your plan details. If your order changes or is canceled, Affirm will update your plan accordingly. Managing payments is simple. You can pay in the Affirm app or by signing in at affirm.com, and it's a smart move to set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. You'll receive reminders, you can check your remaining balance anytime, and there's no penalty for paying early, which can help reduce interest. That's the process from start to finish. Add eligible items totaling at least $500, select Affirm at checkout on Costco.com, get a quick decision that won't affect your credit, choose the plan that makes sense for your budget, and pay over time with easy management in the app or online. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.